Now, growing your own herbs in your garden can do more than save you money in the kitchen. The right herbs can also benefit the plants in your garden. I got these great tips from our gardening expert over at Ace Hardware. We are outside of Ace Hardware with Andy Carlson, and he's going to talk about how we can take our herbs and plant them to be beneficial to the plants that surround them.
That's right.
Who knew that was even a thing?
Yeah. Everybody thinks that just the herbs by themselves are good, but also the way you plant is really important.
Okay.
So, for example, if you plant basil by your tomatoes, that's really beneficial. It'll deter mosquitoes, it'll deter flies. So that's really cool. And people don't realize they can actually plant cilantro, which is also really good for mosquitoes. So you can put a cilantro bush right in the middle of your flower garden, and the mosquitoes go bye-bye. Yeah, right.
I like that idea.
Yeah, there are some really cool things. So like if you plant mint by your cabbage, so that will keep worms away from your cabbage.
It seems like it's like hocus pocus kind of mojo-y, but there's a science behind this, right?
There is a science behind it. So if you plant strategically with all these different things together, it can really help. And then, also there are herbs you can plant that will make your garden, enhance your garden. So for example, sage will attract butterflies.
Now, do all of these require the same types of soil and sun? They must, because to be planted together, they all have to kind of thrive in the same environment.
That's true. So an herb or vegetable garden all requires good sunlight, good rich soil. So we always recommend a Maxfield's planting mix, which is a good local enhancement to the soil.
Because Colorado soil is kind of tricky.
Yeah, it's very clayey, right? So you want to enhance it. So you can add some garden compost, Maxfield's planting mix. Scott's makes a really nice raised bed garden mix from Whitney Farms, raised bed garden mix, which is an excellent choice. And a lot of the urban gardens tend to be raised beds, right? They've put in a raised garden above the actual ground.
They don't have any place to put it. And now you know how to get the most benefit from the herbs and your vegetables and get rid of those pesky pets. Ask your local Ace Hardware person in the nursery just exactly what to do, and then you can go ahead and make this happen at your house. Andy, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
See, who knew? I want to put a big thing of cilantro out in my porch and tell the mosquitoes, bye-bye.
See you later. A couple of cilantro plants out on the porch, keep the mosquitoes away.
Not bad advice,
Who
knew? Man. Andy knew.
Andy's a good guy. I've known Andy for a long time.
Great tips, man.
And that's the thing about going to Ace Hardware is they'll help you answer those questions.
If you're thinking of still planting some stuff, plant it this weekend because we're going to get some nice rain.
Good point.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.